Faire travailler l'économie locale.
Hi, I'm with that group.
Oh, les portes.
Jeepers, what a spooky museum.
It's my life's work, but sadly, I have to close it. I never used to believe in ghosts or monsters, but something is scaring everyone away.
Don't worry, Professor. We'll investigate this mystery.
Like, leave it to us to run into a haunted museum on our way to the beach.
Okay, gang, let's split up and look for clues.
Like, we'll be in here, right, Scoob?
Right, ready?
Chickies, I think this place might really be haunted.
Like everyone over here, it's the safest.
Quiet, everyone.
This way.
With exhibits like that, no wonder this museum shut down.
Just a hall of mirrors. Nothing creepy about that.
Wait a second. Go back.
Why? Should everyone smile and wink hello? Time to say goodbye.
This room contains the mysteries of science.
There must be a clue in here. Maybe I can reconnect the power to help find it. Jinkies! I must have pulled the wrong wire. This ought to do it. Hurry! This way! Who knew science could have so many ghosts? My glasses! I can't find my glasses! Watch out! This ghost can conjure fire! And he will ruin my hair!
These exhibits are getting too hot. Let's go.
Look! Behind us! The fire revealed a secret passageway!
Let's hope it leads to the kitchen.
Someone's been using this hall to set traps. We'll need to set our own trap. If this goes here, and that swings out from there, then all we need is the bait.
Nuh-uh. Not me, man. Try asking Scoob.
Oh, Scooby-Doo. Great, Scoob. You deserve a Scooby snack.
Wait, maybe I can help. Can I also get a Scooby snack?
Sure, Shaggy. After you find the ghosts and lure them into the trap.
Okay, here goes nothing. Found the ghost. Now what?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm going as fast as I can. He's right behind us. I'm gonna need a handful of Scooby snacks after this.
Lots of Scooby snacks.
Gangway.
Coming through.
Ow, watch it.
Sorry, Shaggy.
Which way out of here? Right.
No, left.
No, the other right. Maybe if we're quiet, they won't hear us.
It would have to be quiet, Chet. Those ghosts just don't know when to quit.
Don't worry, Dad. Our trap is all ready to go.
Come on, everybody. This way. The trap's all set. Just lure the ghost into position. A little more.
Why?
He wanted the museum's treasure all for himself.
So he faked the exhibits being haunted.
Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut down the museum.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids.
Scooby-Doo.
Meilleure photo.